I heard a rumor that it was a fast yellow trimaran, a Newik Val in the Gdansk harbor. So the next time I visit Gdansk, I contact the owner Stefan, and we decided to go sailing together for a tour along the coast. The port of Gdansk is one of the largest ports in the Baltic Sea. It's also highly trafficked with lots of different kind of boats. I brought my friend Warmest also for the sailing trip. It's always good to be three. Okay, Warmest?
Lovely.
Yeah. So nice. Yeah.
There's a French guy who's doing this. He's
Oh.
the best. I'll try 7 million euros. So this is a very, very successful guy, and he's the first, the number one in luxury catamaran production.
Gdansk has a long history of building ships, and right now they are building some really huge sailing catamaran. And is located pretty close to the city. You need to formally request exit of the port, and it's a very busy port with huge ships.
They go much faster than the 5 knots.
Yeah, it seems a little bit too fast.
Yes, and they switch the IS so they can go faster.
Pirates usually do that.
Yeah. Don't do this. And also why? Because they put also sometimes nets here.
The plan was to sail from Gdansk up to Sopot pier and then continue a bit more north. We decided to take one reef in the main because it was quite windy. Wow! Great Stefan! Okay, let's go for some speed. Sailing in Sopot, Gdansk on Go Bananas with Stefan and Warmest. A really nice trimaran, Newik wall. 25 degrees, sunny. Amazing weather.
Voila!
Voila!
Let's go to America.
Yeah. It looks like you can cross ocean. It's quite strong in the hull. It
It
looks
was
like.
good for that.
Yeah.
It was good to cross the Atlantic single-handed. I mean, this is the first multi-hull which started to do podium in Atlantic race. So in 19...
So this is the Newik Val 31. It's extended to 33. It's designed to cross the Pacific and also race. About 30 of them were built. This one is built 1980 and is very robust and can handle both big waves and a lot of wind. You know, the wind comes from the 11.
Still pushing for an older.
Yeah, we're pushing it.
For an old grandfather. Huh?
11 knots we hit there. Good. A really nice boat. Go Bananas is the Newik wall. We are next to Sopot, close to the beach, going 8-10 knots. Inside the boat, it's beds on each side, and you can sleep maybe one or two person, depending how big you are. It's no net between the hulls. I have had problems with that before and fall into the water. I try to stay on board this time. It's a huge centerboard. It's not the original, it's a larger one. And there you can see in the aft, you can see it's extended like 3 feet with a rudder in the end. Also, it's an outboard motor.
Brawo, pięknie! Jeśli chcesz się zatrzymać na kawę, zapraszamy! Such a nice lady. I propose her to come for a coffee on board. She didn't say no! She did.
Oh! I got the splash.
But the boyfriend is coming fast. So
I can see he's much more skilled.
Yeah. And the drone moved and it got into this line.
Power line or not?
No, this.
Okay.
No, I went it up, and rather than just let it go up, I look at the thing, boom, it hit the line. And actually, the boat was moving.
Okay, yeah, drifting.
And I got disoriented and whoop, whoop, whoop. You know, like it's somewhere there. I can show you.
Okay, yeah, show me the place.
And then I was with a guy, and he had this big Mavic Pro, the big thing.
Yeah.
You know, the one which is kind of big one.
Yeah.
Quadruped, and I got it like this. Here it is. It was like it's you know.
Yeah. I only have the small because it's so easy to drop it.
I had the Mavic Air. I was very happy.
Yeah.
I was very happy. I filmed. I loved it, but you know, I have no.
So tell me something more about the boat. What's the max speed, Stefan, you have done with this?
Oh, I think the max speed I've done was let's say 15, above 15 knots. Yes, it's like really the max speed. Then it starts to move, you know, everything starts to move a lot. But 15, 20, maybe 20, but you know, who knows? Who knows?
With Jannaker or just...
No. With a lot of wind and a good balanced boat, like you can do 15. But like average, 10 knots is okay. Yeah. I like average.
Now we're picking up. Now the speed is coming here.
Yeah, the speed is coming fast.
Have you buried any hull on the side?
Yeah, sure, but it goes more like a submarine, you know, it starts to... Slowly. But today it's flat, so that's the most, as you know, this is
the best
is the key for us.
2023.
Yeah. For multi-hull.
I mean working day.
A bad day sailing is better than a good day working.
It's so true.
That's all.
Yeah, I will not say that to my manager.
Yeah, but don't forget, a bad day sailing is better than a good day working. So now you have this beautiful city of Sopot at your back. Yep. So Chinese hotel, Grand Hotel, you know, very, very nice place. And we have this pier, which is the longest wooden pier in Europe.
Okay.
So very nice, and yeah.
Should we help Morris steering?
No, he's okay. He's doing okay. We will crash.
So don't hit the pier.
Yeah, pier. You go right. Go right. Go right. Oh, it's gonna be okay. Voilà. You just go. Yeah, you're good. More than okay.
More than okay.
I know we're going to the port. You have to go a little bit more on the right. Voilà, teraz jest super. It's perfect.
We continue a bit further, almost up to Orlovo, and then we turned back and starting to go upwind back to the port of Gdansk. It was much more wind than expected when we turned, and I was happy that we had the reef now.
Has picked up. Not more. Doing great on it. Upwind.
Go Bananas performed well upwind as well, and Stefan said it was one of the best direction to go compared to other boats. A special thanks to Stefan that took us on this sailing trip with his Newik van trimaran, and hopefully we will sail soon again together. But for now, see you